What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear inside door handle on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to take a straight blade screwdriver. There's a little cover right here. Just get in under here. Pull that cover off. And then right here is a cover. Pull that cover off. Now I'm going to take a 7mm socket extension and a ratchet. I'm going to take this screw out here. There's two in there, and there's also one underneath here. Take all of those out. Now we want to take some trim tools. We want to get underneath the door panel. Just pry it out. There's a bunch of clips that hold it in. That. Let's get those all out. Then we can slide the door panel up. Just like that. Pull the lock rod out of the way. This cable, I want to just push down on this button. Slide the cable out and then pull the ball out. And this wiring harness, you can pull on that wire retainer and disconnect the connector right there. Push down, pull it up. With the door panel flipped over, we're going to take these screws out. I'm just going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that last screw out. I'm just going to take a pocket screwdriver, get underneath this little clip right here. And then just push it down, just like that. And the handle will come out like this. Pull it right out. Take this door handle. Just gonna slide this in position. Slide that up through first. Once that's there, then we can lock it back in place. Take the Phillips screws. I'm gonna get these all started first. All right, then I'm gonna snug these all up. Not too tight, it is plastic, so just snug. There's this weather strip piece, or window strip, that goes at the base of the window. You're gonna slide this off the door panel. And then there's these little clips, there's 3 of them. You need to pull those off. I'm gonna use a trim tool, try to slide these out. Sometimes you need some like needle nose pliers. Get in there. Slide that out. What you do is you just get in there and just try to squeeze this so that you can pull it off. Just squeeze that, pull those out. Now these clips are gonna go right here, just like that. All 3. Put the clips on first. And then we'll take this weather strip or window strip, slide this in position right here, and just press it down. Just like that. All right, now let's hook the switch up. Just push the connector on. And this wire is gonna go into that retainer is going through that hole. Take this cable, put the ball through there, and then slide it over. Lock that in place. Take the lock rod, you need to slide it out, thread it through the hole. Once that's thread through, you get all these pins lined up. Everything's lined up, and you can just push the door panel on. Now there's 4 screws we want to put in. There's 1 right there, 2 right here, and then 1 down below. Install those 4 screws with a 7mm socket and an extension. Then I'm going to take a ratchet and just tighten these down, just snug. I'll take this cover, slide that in there, lock it in place. There's a cover right here. Just does the same. There you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.